Sujata Dynamix DX Mixer Grinder, 900 watts, 3 jars. It has a powerful 900-watt motor with double ball bearings for efficiency, low maintenance, and trouble-free running for years. It comes with 3 jars, a 1.5-liter dome jar for wet grinding, a 1-liter stainless steel jar for dry grinding, and a 0.4-liter jar for chutney grinding. It has a 22 RPM operation that retains the flavor and aroma of juices and food. It can run continuously for 9 minutes, making it suitable for longer usage. It is totally shockproof and safe. It comes with a 2-year warranty. The mixer grinder is currently priced at 5,999 rupees, which is a 33% discount from the MRP of 8,919 rupees. It has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon, with over 1,000 customers buying it in the past month. Here are some of the pros and cons of the mixer grinder. Pros: powerful motor, long warranty, 3 jars for different purposes, low maintenance, safe to use. Cons: some users have reported that the jars are not very sturdy. The price is a bit high. Overall, the Sujata Dynamix DX mixer grinder is a good option for those looking for a powerful and reliable mixer grinder with a long warranty. It is also a good choice for those who want a mixer grinder with multiple jars for different purposes.